This video shows how SnapGene offers versatile and simple controls for annotating features. I want to make a new file for a yeast gene encoding carboxypeptidase Y, or CPY. First, I'll fetch the sequence from this online database. I click here to fetch the sequence. Now I select and copy the sequence. Then I switch to SnapGene, open the New DNA File window from the File menu, and paste. I'll call this sequence CPY. This entire sequence will be the feature, so I choose Select All from the Edit menu, then Add Feature from the Features menu. The name of this feature is CPY. The feature is translated, so I click this checkbox. Note that the feature type was automatically designated a coding sequence, or CDS, and the feature automatically became directional. I click in the box at the bottom and type carboxypeptidase Y as the product. When I press OK, the feature has been annotated. Now we'll see how to define feature segments. I switch to Sequence View for a closer look. I want to highlight the signal peptide, which is the first 20 amino acids. I click on the first amino acid to select it, then shift-click on amino acid 20. That stretch of the gene is selected. I click on Create Feature Segment in the Features menu. The Edit Feature window opens. To name this segment, I type Pre-Sequence. To give this segment a different color, I click on this Color button, then click on the rose color. When I press OK, the pre-sequence is marked as a separate segment. CPY also has a propeptide that ends at amino acid 111, so I do the same type of procedure. Click on amino acid 21, then shift-click on amino acid 111, then create a feature called propeptide. I'll color this segment green. Because both of these segments are removed by proteolytic processing, I'll add cleavage areas at the segment boundaries. I click after amino acid 20, then I choose Add Cleavage Arrow from the Features menu. When the Edit Feature window appears, I press OK. Now I use the same procedure to add a second cleavage arrow after amino acid 111. I'll be working with CPY a lot, so I'd like to store it as a custom feature for automatic annotation. I click on the feature to select it, then choose Add to Common Features from the Features menu. When I press Add One Feature, I see that CPY has been added to my list of custom features. I'll save this file now. To demonstrate automatic feature annotation, I'll use a text file from a colleague. This sequence is a yeast plasmid that encodes CPY tagged with enhanced GFP. I'll copy the sequence, then create a new DNA file in SnapGene. The name of this file is pCPY-eGFP. SnapGene automatically detects 12 standard features plus my custom CPY feature. When I press Add 13 Features, I see a nicely annotated plasmid. This ARS1 feature is redundant, so I'll click to select it, then press Delete to remove it. Okay, I'll save this sequence as well. For the final example, I want a sequence with lots of features, so I'll import a GenBank record for a whole chromosome from a yeast called Ashbiyah. I choose the Import from GenBank command in the File menu and type the accession number AE016814. SnapGene has now imported the chromosome. I'll click here to close the description panel. I switch to Features View and see that there are 1,242 imported features. I click this checkbox down here to hide the full description so that I can scan the list more easily. I like to make all of the coding sequence features red if they point in the forward direction or blue if they point in the reverse direction. For this purpose, I choose Sort Feature List from the Features menu. I sort first by type, then by directionality. Now the forward directional CDS features are all together at the top of the list. I click the first feature in this set, then scroll down and shift-click on the last of the forward directional CDS features. Now I choose Feature Color from the Features menu and select the red box to change the colors for the whole set of features. I can do the same type of thing with the reverse directional CDS features, except this time I'll make the selected features blue. Now I switch back to Map View and click to clear the selection. To see the CDS features, I click on the zoom icon and then zoom in. Sure enough, the CDS features are red or blue according to their directionality. That's the end of the demonstration, but not the end of what you can do with features in SnapGene. To learn more about the options for translated features, please see the tutorial called Working with Translations.